Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Virgo, it's Sign. This is June weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Virgo, it's Sign. Guys, this is general reading. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Two cards. What are the messages for Virgo and what's going on? Wow. Virgo. What are the messages for Virgo? The Hierophant with Knight of Swords and Nine of Pentacles. It's very beautiful reading, Virgo. I think someone is rushing to communicate with you. You will get lots of communication. Someone is rushing to communicate with you. Or for some, you will receive text or call from your person. And for some, the person could be a brand new person. And Nine of Pentacles, you are working on yourself, especially on your abundance, Virgo. So you want to achieve your financial stability and you want to be independent, both emotionally and financially. I think there is commitment is coming in your relationship. Wow, you will be in a committed relationship very soon, Virgo. So let's see. You're reading recent past, Knight of Wands, 10 of Cups and 4 of Wands. And the person in your life is very passionate about you. And there is love between you and your person. And past was okay, beautiful, because there was no negative card in past especially. So you both are happy with each other and you both celebrate your love. And your person extremely very attracted to you. Then present 7 of Pentacles, the Fool with Knight of Cups. So you are waiting on something or someone. Maybe you are waiting for commitment. Maybe you are waiting for marriage. For some, you invested money in some businesses and waiting for the result. And you are going with the flow, living in the present moment. And you will be in the full energy that is very good and positive energy. And Knight of Cups. And this person have strong emotions for you and they have romantic feelings for you. I think your person is in slow moving energy. Then future Queen of Cups, Knight of Pentacles and the Moon. So you also have strong emotions towards this person. Virgo, you are very caring and sharing person. And Knight of Pentacles, I think here two persons I am seeing. One is your past person, one could be a brand new person. Definitely you have options, Virgo. Someone is reaching out to you very soon. For some, maybe you have only one person. But most of you, I think I am seeing a new person will enter in your life very soon. And the Moon. So maybe for some there are some disturbances between you and your person. For some you are manifesting something big into your life. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces especially. Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Pisces. Then Aries, Leo, Sagittarius or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So Virgo, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. 8 of Pentacles, Queen of Wands, wow, Knight of Pentacles. Yeah, your person is very serious about you right now. They want to take this relationship to next level. If you are in relationship with this person right now, they want to take it to next level. If you are in separation, some of you, so they want reconciliation, they want to work on this relationship. Queen of Wands, your person is very dominative in nature, aggressive in nature, and this person is very serious about you. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. Ten of Pentacles, Judgment with 8 of Cups and Knight of Swords with 10 of Wands and King of Pentacles. So yeah, communication. So they want to express some truth to you. They are in rush to communicate with you. Yeah. And 10 of Wands, right now your person may be overburdened due to responsibilities or work pressure, but they're thinking about commitment, marriage with you, because they want to be with you in committed relationship, because 10 of Pentacles, Judgment with 8 of Cups. So maybe for some they walked away, now they have regrets. For some, even though there are some disturbances between you and your person, they want to leave behind everything and want to be with you, and they are in the process of making decision because Judgment is here. For some, your person may be going through some legal issues also. So let's see their intentions. Queen of Pentacles, Page of Cups, and the Fool with 5 of Wands. Maybe for some there is some lot of drama is going between you and your person, and under the deck the Devil with 7 of Swords. I think they hurt you in past, maybe they ignored you, they treated you as an option. Yeah, 7 of Swords. They manipulated you in past, playing games with you. They obsessed with you. For some Virgo, this person may be toxic for you. Maybe yeah, a brand new person is entering in your life. Maybe you will accept them. Maybe this person is toxic for you, and yeah, they did hurt you in past. Now they're coming back with an apology, and they want brand new beginnings with you. The Fool energy. Yeah, they want new beginnings with you, but it's totally up to you, because this person may be not trustworthy, toxic for you guys. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Yeah, there are some trust issues between you and your person. If you let them in, definitely you will be in committed relationship, but this person is not trustworthy. Maybe you will accept new person, then also you will be in committed relationship, because yeah, I think they will communicate, they will keep fight for your love, because 7 of Wands. Yeah, Ace of Swords. Communication is coming and they're wishing for this connection. They ignored you, they hurt you, now they realize their mistake, they're wishing for this connection. Yeah, for some you both are in long distance relationship, they want positive growth in this relationship. And 7 of Wands. So yeah, they will fight for your love, especially for your attention, Virgo. Ace of Pentacles, but you are getting financial stability, new beginnings. Maybe you decided to end this relationship with this person because the Death card is here. Maybe you will accept a brand new person. Yes, you are not taking any decision regarding this person. You are undergoing some transformation. You are seeing everything in detail, and how it's your card and it's your reading. Yes, there is no equal give and take. In past, they treated you as a option. So let's see mutual. So the person involved in this connection could be Scorpio or could be another Virgo. Yeah, you decided to end, but Queen of Swords with 5 of Wands. Lot of drama is going. You are taking your control back, Virgo, but they're wishing for this connection. But you are concentrating on your finances and career. So it's up to you. If you let them in, there will be reconciliation. Otherwise, I think most of you, maybe you decided to walk away from this connection. So let's see some messages from your person in through the channel, Virgo. You are pure perfection. Twin flames. I have too much going on my life. All I want is you. Friendship. So for some, your person keep putting in friendship zone. All I want is you. I have too much going on my life. Twin flames, and you are pure perfection. I have regrets. Yes, they have regrets. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. Take time to breathe out. So if you are doing consistent hard work, you are not taking any break. So this is the message for you. Take time to breathe out. So take some time to relax yourself. So you are very close to achieving your goal. Wow. So if you are the process of achieving your goal, you are doing consistent hard work. So this is the message for you. You are very close to achieving your goal. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.